Hi class, we are Team 1. I'm Thomas, and we have Lucian, Loa, Jean, and Lee for Team 1. And for the Horizon Foods Corporation case study purpose, we are going to talk about the SCQA structure and also the competitive analysis assessment for the Horizon Foods Company.
Hi, this is Lucian, and I'm going to talk about the situation of the company in this case. Horizon Foods Company is a small ethnic food processor with an annual sales of $300 million. The main products of this company are dressing, sauce, and condiments. For the customer part, the Horizon Food Company does not sell their products to the end customer directly. There are a lot of food brokers will present them to the dealers. For the marketing part, only 2% of sales will be used in the advertisement, but the most money will be placed in supporting the brokers with point-of-sale displays and cooperative advertisement with the local retailers and some coupons for special promotions. For the logistics part, there are two plants to produce production in large quantity to remain the low-cost production and remain the high quality of the production. For the upstream part, they have the stable suppliers. They have different suppliers to avoid the season peak. For the downstream part, they have the contract carriers and public warehouse. So sometimes they will perform bad in the delivery service. For the organization part, there are two main departments in this company. One is production, the other is marketing. But both of them are not efficient in management. Then Thomas will talk about the complication.
Hi class, I'm Thomas, and I am going to talk about the complication for the Horizon Foods Company. And according from our group discussion, we noticed that there are three major problems for the Horizon Food Company. The first one is the high transportation costs. Because the Horizon Food Company has given the authority to the public warehouse to arrange the transportation, and as the result, the transportation cost is high due to the inconsistent delivery schedule. Some carrier provide fast service, and other carrier provide poor delivery service, and also needed to say the small quantity shipments. And the second problem that we observe is the inventory control problem. We believe that because there is a poor cooperation between the marketing and sales department and also the production department, they are having difficulty coming up with the production schedule to meet the inventory demands, and that can cause the inventory problem. And also another major problem is the poor customer service. We actually believe that because the marketing and sales department, they do not have the clear defined job duties. Why does the marketing is responsible for the inventory at the warehouse? So we believe that because of the many unnecessary job responsibility inside the marketing and sales departments, they are having difficulty providing the quality service to the retail stores.
Hi, I'm Jing. I'm going to talk about the questions and recommended approach. Our question for the Horizon is how can we improve the inner communication? Let me introduce the situation of the Horizon first. Horizon is divided into two major departments. One is the marketing and the sales, and the other is the production. For the production department, they are responsible for arranging the transportation and maintaining the inventory. And for the marketing and sales department, they are responsible for producing the inventory. And there is also a national sales manager who is responsible for maintaining the contact with the food brokers. Since the split between the delivery from production and services, they always has problems in maintaining the adequate quantity of inventory. So our recommendation approach is improve the intercompany communication. Horizon can apply a shared information system, so all of the departments can share the information about the process of the producing and the inventory, and they can make the accurate decision on the inventory and the production. Our other approach is to establish their own transportation department, who is responsible for gathering the information from the production department and the marketing and sales department. The transportation department can then decide the quantity they need to inventory.
Hi guys, I'm Laura, and I will be talking about how Horizon Foods can better improve and develop an effective product movement process. First, I will be talking about how Horizon Foods needs to improve their inventory control. They need to have enough inventory to meet customer demands at all times. Next, I think Horizon Foods needs to improve their demand forecast, and they need to have all ingredients available for production regardless of the season. And finally, I think that Horizon Foods needs to improve their customer service. They need to standardize transportation from warehouse to final customer to improve deliveries. They need to keep consistency to better satisfy their customers. For our competitive assessment and analysis for Horizon Foods, these are some of the things we've come up with. We believe that Horizon Foods has an advantage when it comes to power suppliers because they hold stable suppliers, which helps them avoid peak seasons. We believe that in intensity of competition, they do not hold an advantage because they need to increase service to retail stores. And when it comes to threats of substitutes, we believe that Horizon Foods can be easily substituted, so that does not give them an advantage. In conclusion, we believe that Horizon Foods does not hold a strong competitive advantage.